You are Yosef. I heard a lot about you. Maybe you can tell me the meaning of my two dreams.
Hashem will tell Paro the meaning of his dream. The two dreams Paro dreamt is one dream. The 7 healthy, beautiful cows are 7 years of plentiness all over the land. The 7 wheat stacks that are healthy and big are 7 years of plentiness. Kids, you want to see what plentiness looks like? Look with a good eye. This is plentiness. This is abundance. This is how much they had in the land of Egypt in the years of plentiness. There will be so much food that people will eat double. You want some? Delicious. The 7 sickly cows and the 7 sickly thin wheat of stack of wheat are 7 years of famine that will be all over the world. There will be nothing to eat anywhere.
Yes. This is the answer to my dreams. Thank you.
Paro will choose a very smart man that will know how to collect all the food in the years of plentiness. And in the years of famine, when there's no food all over the land, nobody will have to die.
You're going to be the second to Paro, and everything you told me now, you are going to do. But I still remain the king.
I will do as Hashem and Paro wishes. So children, what do we learn from this Parsha? We learn that in 1 minute, our life can change. And it will always be to the good, if you will always think good. Look at Yosef. He was in jail, a slave, in Egypt. In the next moment, he was the second to the king. Why you're laughing? Stop laughing. I'm talking about serious stuff. Kids, the same thing can happen to you. If today you're a bullied kid, tomorrow you can be the king of the class. Corona today, tomorrow history. We can feel Mashiach today, but we can dance with him in 1 more minute. So go kids, make 1 more mitzvah. It can change the balance in the world and make you wonderful angels that will protect you, protect the people of Israel and the whole world. Good Shabbos. Shabbat Shalom.